Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do some straight leg raises. So, straight leg raises are one of my favorite exercises. It's because they're so effective and they're really easy to do. So here's an image of what it looks like. It kind of is complicated on the diagram, but you'll see when I do it, it's fairly simple. However, it requires quite a lot of muscle mass in your knee already, so don't attempt it if you feel your knee is weak or if you can't bend it all the way straight. For straight leg raises, it's optional to have ankle weights just to challenge yourself, but if you're new to them, then I don't recommend it as the exercise is hard in itself. So as you can see, I have ankle weights on both legs. This one at 3 pounds each. So let's do this. So first off, you want a straight body and your feet and back are flat against the ground. Shoulders back. You can have your arms here for extra support. You want to tighten your quads and slowly raise the leg up about a foot or two. Hold it there and then bring it back down. So you want to repeat this for 2 sets on both legs, and each set should consist of at least 10 reps. So don't expect to be able to do all the reps on the first time, but obviously as time progresses you'll get better and better, and eventually you can probably surpass the amount of reps that I did in the video. And if this wasn't a challenge at all to you, then that means A, your knee is very strong, or B, try some more ankle weights and upping the weight to maybe 4 or 5 pounds. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. See you next time.